How to remove active status on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove active status on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on settings, which can be seen at the top. And now here, once you're inside the settings, then what you can do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as active status. So here, simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside, just in case if you have enabled the active status, to remove it, what you can do is simply toggle off this option. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just select until I change, and after that you can just tap on pause to remove the active status on Messenger. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.